Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, I want to answer the question, if I lose too much weight on the ketogenic diet, will I end up with loose, sagging belly skin? Okay? And the answer is not if you do this correctly. What's happening is you're losing the structural matrix of protein around your body when you have loose skin. It's like the whole structure just kind of sags and droops. It's called atrophy. Okay? And you can see it also in the hips as cellulite. And a lot of times that's a protein deficiency, but you can't consume protein to fix it. And the reason is because it's not going in the cells. Why? Because of insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is one of the most common things that occur with people that are gaining weight, especially in the midsection, and that have loose, sagging skin. Because insulin, one of the functions of insulin is to help you absorb protein or amino acids. And when you have that resistance, it blocks the protein from going in there. So that's why, like diabetics, for example, have a lot of problems with loose skin and sagging skin because they can't absorb this protein. So the ketogenic diet fixes the insulin resistance. So just to hammer this point across, insulin resistance prevents protein from being formed structurally around the waist or the hips. And protein is heavier than fat. So many people hit this point where they plateau with the weight, but they're shrinking. Their stomach is going down. Their skin is coming back. They're not as loose. And that is because you're fixing insulin resistance. The amino acids are going in the cell. The proteins are being formed. Okay, and one last thing. I always recommend doing the intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet to spike growth hormone. And growth hormone will actually help preserve your proteins even more. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, hey listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.